Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in a Ford Fiesta. Before starting, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. You'll need to locate the low-pressure service port, typically found on the passenger side. Make sure your engine is running and the air conditioning system is set to its coldest, highest fan speed. This prepares the system for proper refrigerant intake. Now, let's connect the recharge kit. Take the quick connect fitting from your refrigerant can and firmly attach it to the low-pressure service port. You'll hear a click when it's properly seated. Give the refrigerant can a good shake before connecting it to the hose. A secure connection is crucial to avoid any refrigerant escaping during the process. With everything connected, it's time to add the refrigerant. Squeeze the trigger on the can for about 10 to 15 seconds, then release it. Check the pressure gauge on the kit. It will show the current system pressure. Repeat this process, squeezing and checking, until the gauge indicates the correct pressure range. Overfilling can damage your system, so be careful. Once the pressure is correct, quickly and carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port. Test your AC system to ensure it's blowing cold air effectively. If you still experience issues or the AC isn't as cold as expected, it might indicate a leak or a more complex problem. In such cases, a professional inspection is highly recommended for a lasting solution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.